Does your Vizio Smart TV's power light blink 3 times or 4 times, and in some cases it even flashes 15 times or 25 times, and then it turns off? Even though in most of the cases it's a hardware problem, don't panic and try these easy troubleshooting steps to fix your Vizio TV's red light issue. Start by unplugging any HDMI or USB devices that's connected to your TV so that we can get rid of any external interference. If your TV still doesn't turn on, then make sure it's connected to the power properly. Also check the power cable connection if it's detachable. If the problem persists, then make sure your TV is connected directly to a wall outlet so it gets sufficient power. You can also try changing the outlet. If it still shows red light, then you can try soft resetting your TV or cold booting it. You do this by unplugging your TV's power source and then wait at least 10 minutes before turning your TV back on. Still nothing? Then at this point what you can try doing is resetting your TV to factory default, and hopefully this will turn your TV back on. To reset your Vizio TV without the display, you simply need to press and hold the power button that's on your TV and keep holding it for at least 30 seconds. And hopefully you'll see the Vizio logo and you'll have to set your TV back up once again. Unfortunately, if nothing works, then it's most definitely a hardware issue. So either take your TV to customer support or a repair shop. Let us know if any of these steps worked, and I'll see you in the next one.